So friends, today we are going to make a natural indicator and which can be made homemade very easily. So what the ingredient we are needing is only a red cabbage. So I have a red cabbage over here and now we will chop the red cabbage. So now we will be having these slices. Now we will be chopping them again, but now roughly, like this. And now after chopping it roughly, we would be separating the leaves a little bit so that they won't be touching each other. Now after separating, we should get the product like this. So now we will transfer it into a container. And now we will be taking some very hot water. Now we will be adding a very hot water. We will be adding water just to cover them, not over, like this much. And as the water is added, you may see it immediately turns into a bluish color. Like over here, you may immediately see it turning into a bluish color, and now we will cover it and let it sit for around 20 to 30 minutes. So now 20 minutes have crossed. Now we will open it. Wow, the cabbage has turned a little bit of whitish in shade. The color of the cabbage has become dull. So it indicates that the indicator is done. It may smell bad because of the hot water and the cabbage. So now we will be taking a strainer on which we will be putting a clean masculine cloth and on which we will be again putting a filter paper. So now we will keep it on the container in which we want to filter this out. Then we will take the red cabbage water, and then we will be putting the water on it like this. And as you may see, this bluish purple water, that's the indicator. It may smell bad because of the hot water, but it's a very good indicator. And now we have successfully made the indicator. Now we close it. Now we will contain it in a airtight bottle or airtight vessel, jar or something airtight. Now we will test it. Does it even works or it doesn't? So here we have an acid, here we have a neutral solution, and here we have a basic solution. Now let's just test, does the indicator works. Drops of this indicator in. Not few, a lot actually. And as you may see, the color has started to change to pinkish. It means that it is an acid. And now let's just put it in the salt solution. As you may see, the color is still the same. It means that it is a natural. Now let's just put it in the base. As you may see, the color has started to become green. It indicates that this is a base. I'll show the color of the base to you once again. After some time, you may start to notice that the color of the acid has slowly developed into a hot pink shade. Like now you may see them closely. You may see the acid colors has started to become hot pink and red. The neutral is the same blue or purple, and the basic color will be like yellow or green. So this indicates acid, neutral and base. Okay, so once again I will be telling you acid, neutral, basic. Thank you for watching our videos. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel.